বেছি মানুহকে আঙুলি না দেখাব লাগিব দে আৰু বিয়া নকবি আপুনি খান ভাল লিডাৰ চুজ কৰিলে ভাল হ'ব আপুনি খান নিজৰ জায়গাতে ডেভেলপমেন্ট না হতলে আপুনি খান কাৰণে আছে তো পাব্লিক কাৰণে বি আছে তো খালি লিডাৰ ওপৰত নহয় দে লিডাৰ ইজ গুড এভৰিথিং গোনা বি গুড আপুনি খান নাগালেণ্ড লগা আছে কিনি আছে না ভাল আছে ওলা এনেকুৱা কোনো ভাৱনা কৰা তলে সবচে বিয়া নাম পাই আছে আমি খান সব কি উঠাবলৈ মন যায় আছে and so we need to have a very good leader we need to transform Nagaland and to have a better mileage আমাৰ বাবা বি ভাল আমাৰ বাবা দেখিলে বাচ্চান ভুক লাগিলে তাহান ভাত নাখাই নে বাচ্চাই খেলাই তো খালি এটা লাগাতো লিডাৰ নিজৰ খাব পেট বৰ্তাব দুসাখান খাই নাখাই নাজানে দে that will be the greatest joke of the year এটো না এটো কোন বি বিশ্বাস কৰিলে ঈশ্বৰ বি বিশ্বাস নকৰিব তো দে ইটো তো মিছা আছে
Welcome to Nagaland TV. Sop Manulaga Awas. Mohan Yate, Sir Andrew Ahuto, NPP, Nationals People Party la President Lode Buhina se. Aji Mohan Yate, Nidhi Ayog, officials releasing the Sustainable Development Goals, India Intex 2021 la status te. Nagaland ke worst performing state lade tek dina se. Sir ge hudiu munja questions to. What, according to you, are some, not even some, but the factors leading to Nagaland as the state to be the worst performing state in India?
Okay. Thank you very much, NLTV, and it's always been a pleasure to be with you. And I'm happy that your crew has come here. And it is a media that plays a very major role in the understanding of the people's mentality and to reach out to the people and to the entire public, I would say. To make them aware because you are the voice for the public. So thank you very much. And as you have mentioned about the Niti Ayog. Yes, Niti Ayog has been a recent kind of program that has been launched by the Government of India. We appreciate the Government of India for many reasons that they want to develop the entire country as a whole without having any biasness. I'm very happy to Dr. Rajiv also, who's the chairman of Niti Ayog, and the donor ministry also, Mr. Reddy, who have been telling that they will leave no stone unturned and they would like to make the progress of the entire India along with all its districts to bring up to a level where India becomes a developed country because we cannot have a stepmotherly issues to any of the district or to the state. Everybody should be looked into eye and equal eye. But when I see right now we've been tagged at the bottom line around Mekhange subse biyar I mean সরম্বি লাগে মানুষকে ক'বলৈ এইটো আমি নাগিব সৰলো কৈ দিব আমি খানতো মানুহ খান ইটো শুনিলে তো আমি খান বি একটা মানুহ আছে কি মানুহ খান আপনি খান নাগালেণ্ড লগা আছে কিনি আছে না ভাল আছে ওলা এনেকুৱা কোনো ভাৱনা কৰা তোলে সবচে বিয়া নাম পাই আছে আৰু এইটো আমি খান লাগ গলতি কাৰণে নহয়তো এইটো আমি খান লিডাৰশিপ ঠিক নহয় এইটোৰ পৰা আমি খান নাম বেছি বিয়া পাই কেনে আছে আৰু আমি খান চাইলে ৰাইট নাও when we look at the northeast we have got 8 districts. So out of 8 states, we have got 103 districts. So American bottom line sale to out of 103 districts in 8 states, सबसे last skip रिया है. Then Zinoboto, then your Peg, not Peg, like Mon, okay, and Longland, Tengsang, Iniga sale to American overall sale to Eastern Naga. Our Central Naga to सबसे lowest marking out of 103 the American lowest are not forgetting even parent also very sad to see so American to exam to American to bhalba puri ase American to bhalba exam kurubole mun jay chole bi ami sai thaka to iniga lowest paw ki karne ase hoy American la government leader to le tahan exam likhibole ase cheating man kure ase they have been cheating the entire public and then they have not been studying hard and last moment they want to sit for an exam. So exam to bhule to they're going to fail obviously. So we have failed in Niti Ayog because we have been cheating the government, the central government for a very long time. So I would say that we need to wake up in that aspect. Aro Amikhan sa ja to le to ranking is an embarrassment obviously, but donor ministry has been very vocal and also the chairman tai kwa to le ikon hoy Amikhan sob ki uthabole mun ja ase hoy khali Amikhan ki uthabo ami eta ni firwelo government ke ni kubole mun jai thaka to এটা তাই 18 ইয়ার্স হলে আছে তো 18 ইয়ার্স থেকে আমি খানকে নাগালেন্ডকে উঠাব না পারতে কি কারণে তাই ভুইয়া যাতে নাম্বার 1 নাম্বার 2 if the leader the CM was just 1-2 years old হলে no problem Okay, he will take time also to lift up his own state. But 18 years is not a matter of joke. So what he has not been doing his homework very well, I would say that. Tala nijor tai na purigina exam diya ase to. Taro sabse richest and the well developed personality individual laga ase gulo to India the whole India tahi ekla thakibo de. सबसे निजोर गाने भावना निजोर गाने कुरा निजोर गाने सबसे नंबर 1 गुजिगलो ताही फर्स्ट गोल्ड मेडल पाबो लागेता है होली आमिर खान दली की गो इतिया पब्लिक भी जाने या थैंक यू
Sir, Avuniwa Kwanishna, so is the government to be blamed or even the public plays a role in this?
See, I would say that a lot depends only, basically I would say 90% depends on the, what you call government. Because it is, if you have a very strict government, if you have got a very strict rules regulation, public are bound to follow. If you have a very strong traffic rules regulation in the town, obviously nobody will break the law. But the easiness that is going on, you know, and development, the public does not know what development is coming to Nagaland. So I would say that Amikan Sai Thagadole, government dole, bhal program, center is doing its level best, I would say that. No center will do bad for any state. So state, I would say that it is up to us, up to the leader. And so we need to have a very good leader. We need to transform Nagaland and to have a better mileage and to see that every citizen is not looked with biasness. Everybody is brought up to a very good level of development. Yeah.
Aro sir, if like just give me in a one sentence.
Okay.
According to you, why is Nagaland so corrupted?
I will only put it not in sentence. I'll put in word. Leader. That's all. Leader is good, everything is going to be good. You know, Baba, Baba bhal dekhle sob bhal hobo to, Amma bhal dekhle sob bhal hobo to. To Amma Baba thik nole ko bachakan bhi bhal hobo na, itu aise. So leader change hole, Nagaland to change hobo de. Aur bhal leader lage American ke, itu aise.
Aro sir, what is that one thing that could fix the problem? Should it be totally overhauling of the whole political scenario or something else?
See, the tagline that Rio government has said, change is coming. It's not going to come till he changes himself fully. Okay? I will say no change. We need reformation, revolution in Nagaland. Okay? Otherwise, nothing is going to form. Okay? Nothing is going to change. So people have to wake up in that aspect. And next election, 2023, Manu Kanbire, Bishi Manuge Angli na dekhabo lagibo de aru biya nokobi. Apni khan bhal leader choose korle bhal hobo. Apni khan la nijor jagate development na hotu le apni khan karne asu to, public karne bhi asu to. Khali leader upor ni hoye de. Aru leader bhal lagile bhal hola pathabi na. Ami khan iman whole Nagaland de 22 lakhs population de ekta leader hi paana apni khan. Ami khan ke Nagaland lead korobole ki hoise. Election time de olop 1-2 crore khai na अपनी खान लाइफ लीडर एकता बड़ा सब खाई दिबो और अपने खान के बैकवर्ड कर ले तो भाल नहीं तो डोंट लुक एट दैट 1-2 crores being bought off like horse trading kan करबो ना दिबी और अपनी खान में निजर मोरालिटी प्रिंसिपल तो থাকিবি और अपनी खान क्रिश्चियन बना जगले क्रिश्चियन निशने बिहेव करबो लागिबो खाली भी আমি खान क्रिश्चियन तो इट्स अ वेरी नागालैंड फॉर क्राइस्ट तो ले तो अलग टैग होई गना रॉन्ग होय আছে আমি চাই তো নাগাল্যান্ড ফর কারাপশন হি আছে দে ইটো উই হ্যাভ টু চেঞ্জ आवरसेल्फ और लीडर ভাল আনিবি তেতিয়াই ভাল ট্ৰান্সফৰমেশ্যন হ'ব আৰু আমি গান চাইছে এতিয়ালা গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট 18 ইয়াৰ্ছ হৈছে একো আনা নাই আৰু আনিবলিবি নহয় নিজৰ কাৰণে হ'বলৈ আছে এতিয়াৰ আমি গান হাই টাইম উই নিড টু চেঞ্জ নাগালেণ্ড once and for all and for good.
Thank you, sir. And according to the Nagaland vision of 2030, it has been stated that poverty will be eradicated by 2030. Do you think it is possible? And so what other measures should be taken?
That will be the greatest joke of the year. Ito na, ito, kung may business ko lang, iso may business ko ba ito? De, ito to misa ase. Poverty ko na, hoy, ekjon laga khali development ase ko to hoy. Ito to tayo to le, India to सबसे richest tayo ho bola. Next to Ambani ito khan de, in assets and all that. This is not the way, you know. If you are a good leader, you have to think for your society, you have to think for your people. Why should you think for yourself first? Manu laga bhabi first. Nijor la last bhabi to. Amma baba bhi bhal amma baba degle bacharan bhuk lagile tan bhat na khaine bachai khilai to holi eta la to leader le lijo khabo pet bodabo dusagan khai na khai na jane de it we need to change. Yeah.
So sir Ahuto Andrew Bhalwa explain kori dishe and then it's high time now that Nagaland has to walk the talk as well.
Yes.
And then this is Nimasin Laao with camera person Joha for Nagaland TV.